All right, so another video from the Brookings Arts Council this week. As always, my name is Shelby, and today I'm going to show you how to cut some snowflakes out of just a regular piece of printer paper. So as far as supplies today, I have my one sheet of printer paper. I do have a pencil just in case, and I have an eraser, and then you'll need some scissors as well, which mine are just right over here. So some scissors. So the first thing we're going to do here is our paper, we need it to be square, and it's currently a rectangle. So you're gonna take one corner here, and you're gonna fold it over until there's a corner down here, a perfect point, so that we have a perfect kind of square. You'll have to cut this part off on top. So like I said, you'll try and make this, line it up, be a little shorter, and you wanna make sure that this down here is just a perfect point. So once you got your paper, mine's a little off still. Crease it, and you'll have something like this. So you have this extra piece on top, you'll cut off, and then this would be a perfect square. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so there we go, open it up, perfect square. And then the next step here, you just fold it again, like so. Make sure that it's nice and creased so it lays down really well. Then next, you're gonna fold this corner up to the other one. So then you just get another small triangle. Make sure all your edges line up nicely. And again, crease it. So then you just have kind of like a hat. So it's just from a big piece of paper, in half, and then in half again. So now you have this, and we're gonna fold each corner up to get, like you're gonna fold it into like thirds essentially. So you'll fold a corner up like so, and crease it down at the bottom like that. And then you're gonna fold this other one to go across. Okay. And then you're gonna cut along that straight line there. You'll cut these extra triangles off on top. So then you have just one rectangle that looks like a skinny little Christmas tree. Okay, so next now is coming up with a design for your snowflake. So you want to start and draw it where that crease is first, and you'll cut it. And you can draw first, or you can just go for it. I'm gonna draw first just because that's how I do things. And I'm gonna have pointy edges. It doesn't really matter. And so I'm gonna cut mine to look like that. I'm gonna cut on those lines there. When you're cutting, try and keep that crease as good as you can so that the paper is not slipping around. Yours, if you want to look up designs, you're sure welcome to look up different designs to have some fun snowflakes. If you're cool with winging it like I am, that's awesome too. Some trial and error will help you get some cool ones. I also didn't want it to be super intricate because you don't want to sit and watch me cut for forever. And as you can see, sometimes a bigger piece of paper cuts a little bit easier, but I wanted it to be something that you guys could like easily find at home, and most people have printer paper easily or readily available. So that, and then there we go. So we got our inner piece here, which comes out like so. Be really gentle with it so it doesn't break as you're opening it up. So in half, and then this way. Cool. So mine's kind of a funky one. So some trial and error will help if you make multiples, but I think all snowflakes are unique and they're all pretty cool. So this is what we got with mine. And when you're all done, you can mount it on some black paper, or you could hang it up on a string and put it on your wall. You can make a bunch of them and hang up. We did that at the Arts Council last year for Christmas. We had a bunch of really big snowflakes that we cut out by hand. And so that's what I got for you today. I will post a picture of this final design for you and a list of supplies. But as always, that's all I got for you today. So enjoy the holiday season. Merry Christmas. And hopefully we get some real snowflakes before Christmas comes. But as always, my name is Shelby once again, and I'll see you next time.